100% now. See we they don't know we but they acting like they do now. Yeah.
Boom, bang, bang, bing. It's your boy Jamaican J with another Thursday Patrol LSPDFR video. Yeah. 21 gun salute to all my subscribers and all my viewers. And if you are a first time viewer,
King 4, citizens report.
do remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. It is much appreciated on this channel.
We're in the vicinity.
Word up, as you could hear the radio chatter in the background and shit. Yeah, man. So do remember to share the video, like the video. It is much appreciated. Yeah, man. So we are off again on another Thursday patrol. Today I'm driving the Taurus, man. See what's up with this Taurus. So we're gonna be taking some call. I put a new call out in here. I forgot the name of the call out, but I got the ambient call out in there. So let's see what's happening this Thursday. Yeah, man. Big up to all my subscribers, all my viewers again. Dispatch 7 Frank 11.
Dispatch, purpose site. We need backup now!
7 Frank 11. Go ahead. Attention all units. We've got shots fired at an officer in the Maze Bank Arena. Units respond code 3.
Dispatch, show me en route.
10-4, 7 Frank 11.
Wow, you say shots fired, man. We out of here. Oh, turn on your siren, bro. It's at the arena. Shots fired at the arena. Oh shit, dude. You're gonna let them hurt you up. Oh my lord. Don't shoot me, bro. Don't shoot me. It don't look it don't look good. Bro, just give up, man. They'll kill you.
Not your lucky day, pal.
It was busting at him, yo. Word.
Queen 2, we have a motor vehicle accident.
Copy.
In the Maze Bank Stadium, respond code 3.
This guy. Man, it was busting at him, yo. He lucky he got away. He living.
In the car, now!
Like in the car now. Alright, man. Dispatch, show me code 4.
Attention all units. Code 4, no additional officers needed.
Wow, this Thursday look like it's gonna be action-packed. Hold up. So I got some call. Hold up. I think let's try some of these call-outs, man. Call-out pack, gang drive-by. Let's try that. Dispatch, show me en route.
10-4, copy. 7 Frank 11.
Oh man. Oh, sorry, boss. Get the hell out of the way. Okay.
Copy, dispatch. Adam 4 en route. Fucking fuck!
Damn. I hit
4, copy that.
I hit that.
4, units respond code.
I hit that guy car. Ah, man. That ain't right. Yo, so what happened with that call out though? Hold on. Let me see what's up with this call out. Is it working or what? Alright. Let me get over there. It's over here. That's supposed to be what, a gang fight? Gang attack. Yeah, gang attack. Let's go check it out. See what the hell going on here. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. Dispatch, shots fired.
Victor 13.
Damn.
We've got a civilian in need of assistance.
Copy that, dispatch. We'll find those animals. Copy that, dispatch. Copy. Officers en route.
Yo, you. Yo, it's a lot of things going on here, man.
Near code 4.
Let's go! Get down! I've got you, buddy.
Damn, look at the massacre though, man.
Respect the bad. That's settled, buddy.
We're gonna need a cleanup crew down here. Wow. It's a lot of work. Dispatch, show me 10-6.
10-4, copy that. 10-6.
I gotta stop traffic here, man. Clean this up right here. Dispatch requesting ambulance.
Ambulance. Assistance required in Puerto del Sol.
Probably gonna need more than one. I think I need a next cop on the scene. I should get the next cop on the dispatch requesting code 2 backup.
Assistance needed in Puerto del Sol.
Copy, dispatch. We'll assist.
It's not a easy it's not an easy Thursday. There's a lot of bodies out here. I should have called the next ambulance. You know what? Let me go pick up these guns in the meantime. Man, look at the gun. Man, the guy had a machine gun, carbine rifle. Yo, what's wrong with this guy? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this, man. This is the thing I don't understand about this fucking game, man. What was that just now, bro? What the fuck was that? Dispatch requesting coroner.
Assistance required in Puerto del Sol.
I'm gonna start laying down the roadblocks. Let it look more realistic. Yo, look at you, man. All laid out. Alright, man. So in the meantime, you know what? Let me go put some armor on. While they clean this spot, while they clean this place up. Put some armor on. Yeah.
This is a tough one.
How much people drop out already? Then I got one body bag, two. That's 3 people dead. Let me see if this one gonna make it.
So much for lowering the murder rate.
Nope. He ain't gonna make it.
Mom's right. I should move to Vice City.
All right, man. I should just leave this cop here. Continue my
Dispatch to Ocean 1.
It's Ocean 1.
We've got shots fired on Lockport, the freeway.
Dispatch, Ocean 1 here. We can take that if no one else wants it.
Roger that, Ocean 1. Respond code 3.
Gotta make sure everything is good here. Somebody else could take that call right there. Yo, that call out was tough, yo. We should try we should try one more that call out. Yo, call out was tough.
Hello.
Alright, man, you could go ahead, man.
Thanks.
Okay, man. Dispatch, show me code 4.
Attention all units. Code 4. No additional support needed.
Go down here and turn.
We've got a possible 503 on Lockport, the freeway.
Dispatch, show me en route.
10-4, 7, Frank 11.
Try to arrest the criminal. Where is he? This is him. It says friend. It didn't say criminal. But you know what? Let me go over there. Let me go over there and see what's up. Oh, he's moving. Oh, man. Oh, no. Did he go this way? Looks like it. Yeah, where the fuck? What the fuck is going on here? Man, I can't go for that, man. I ain't got no time. Dispatch, show me code 4.
Attention all units. Code 4. No additional officers needed.
I'm not going all the way over there. I will never catch that guy. All right, We ain't getting no calls yet, so let's try one of them other call outs that we tried earlier. See what I got. See what else they
We
hold
have
up.
a Grand Theft Auto in, Rancho.
I'm right there. Dispatch, show me en route.
10-4, 7, Frank, 11.
What's wrong with this guy? That's him right there? Oh man, I'm just messing up the whole damn place. Yo, bro, pull over, man. Don't put on your helmet now, bro. Don't put it on now. Get off the truck, man. I mean, get off the bike.
Hold it!
Hold it, man. You know what?
You're going away for a long time.
We ain't got no time for this, bro. Let me pat you down, make sure you alright. You good, man? You good? Yeah, man. You got fentanyl? Bro. It don't look good for you. I tell you what, man. Come have a seat in this car right here, bro. Car is brand new. You're gonna like the new car scent. Word. Alright, man.
Attention unit, Adam 4. We have a warrant issued.
Copy, dispatch.
In Davis, respond code.
Alright,
3.
pass, man.
Let's move.
Oh, see, now you're on a call. Go ahead, man. Dispatch, can I get a tow truck? Requesting tow truck. Small pickup.
Assistance required in Rancho.
I don't feel like going to no station. Yeah, why you pushing your head through my window, man? Dispatch requesting transport.
Roger, transport required.
Alright, let me let this guy pass. Go ahead, bro. Alright, man, come on.
What's up?
Hey, what up? He's in the car. Get him. I got things to do.
Shit for brains.
Alright, man. Thanks, man. See you later. Dispatch 7, Frank 11.
7, Frank, 11. Go ahead.
Dispatch, show me 10-8.
Roger that, 10-8.
Yeah, man. We just patrolling this.
Dispatch calling unit Charles 4.
Okay, that's not me.
Report
We just patrolling.
fired.
Oh, shots fired.
Charlie 4, roger that. Dispatch, you have a location for the suspect.
I may join that.
In Rancho, units respond code 3.
Dispatch, show me responding add-on.
Copy, dispatch. Victor 13 is in the area.
10-4, Victor 13. Respond code 3.
Dispatch, show me responding add-on.
10-4, 7, Frank 11.
So let me go with this guy. Oh, he ain't going nowhere. Oh, this is the guy right here. Oh shit.
We got a visual on the perp. In pursuit.
Attention all units. Officer down. In Rancho. Respond code 3.
Dispatch, show me en route.
10-4, copy that. 7, Frank 11. Officer requesting backup for
Oh shit.
fired. Proceed with caution.
Go, go, go!
Oh shit. We need to stop traffic, man. We got an officer down. Dispatch requesting ambulance.
Ambulance. Assistance required.
Oh
in
shit.
Rancho.
Come on, bro. You gotta live, bro.
The greatest country on earth doesn't.
Oh, she gonna drive off with you right there. Oh man, that's fucked up. Oh shit. Damn, girl. Damn.
Let's move, con prisas. This one's gonna be tough.
Come on, man. You gotta make it. Can't have an officer down. Damn.
Los Santos? More like Los Demonios.
Victor 13. Citizens reporting a motor vehicle accident in
Where's my stash of
Strawberry.
Copy, dispatch. Victor 13 is in the area.
10-4, Victor 13. Respond code 3.
Dispatch, officer deceased.
10-4, copy that. Is backup required.
He said teaser deployed. Negative.
10-4 is medical aid required.
Negative.
10-4, copy.
Dispatch requesting coroner unit.
Dispatch to 7, Frank 11 is medical aid required.
Negative.
10-4, copy. Dispatch to 7.
How much time she gonna ask me the same thing?
Medical aid required.
Oh my god. Negative, dispatch. Negative. Yep, we gotta keep the Thursday thing going. You know what I'm saying? It started off real rough. Yep. Let's see what dispatch got for us, man. You know what? I think I need more armor. I think I need more armor. I'll pull over right here. Get my armor. And I'm tired of putting on this armor. Chevrolet. Dispatch, show me 10-8.
Roger that, 10-8.
Yo, I don't know why I keep running over these things, man. Man, look at my car. It's messed up.
We have a Grand Theft Auto in progress on Lockport Freeway.
Dispatch, show me en route.
10-4 copy. 7 Frank 11.
Okay, where the hell is this guy at? That's him right there? Okay.
Dispatch, we got eyes on the target. Moving to engage.
Oh, this is him right here?
LSPD! Get your hands up!
Cop trying to escape on
And that's
foot.
a bust! You're under arrest!
Let me stop this traffic. I don't know where this guy going.
Into this
Well,
shit.
ow!
We are code 4.
Where is he going though? Is he just walking off like that?
The fuck was
What
that?
the hell is this? Bro, where are you going? Where's this?
Stop right fucking there!
Where's this guy going? Yo, bro. Stay your ass right there, bro. Where you going? Oh, they go to transport unit for him. Is that guy walking away? Oh. Yeah, man, go get him, man. Because that guy's walking walking the whole highway. Well, they got to work it out, man. Oh, here we go.
Hope you like prison food, shithead!
I don't know what was going on right there.
You're under arrest! Hope you like prison food, shithead!
I don't know, man. It's gonna be rough for the the tow truck. Dispatch, could I get a tow truck? Requesting tow truck.
Hope you like prison food, shithead!
He keeps saying that. Are you gonna lock the guy up or what?
You're under arrest!
Dispatch requesting tow truck.
Hope you like prison food,
Flatbed.
shithead!
Assistance required on Lockport Freeway.
All right, we out of here, man, because we don't know what's going on here. Tow truck on its way. And there's a cop right there, so we should be good. Dispatch, show me 10-8.
Roger, 10-8.
You know what? Let's force one of these call outs. Let's see. Let's force one of these call outs, man. Oh, more robberies. Let's try that. Alley robbery.
We've got a robbery with a firearm. All available units respond code 3.
Dispatch, show me en route.
10-4 copy that. 7 Frank 11.
Get the hell out of the way. Where the hell is this place? Oh my, I've been driving for a while now. Man, I'm going. Where am I going? Sandy Shores? I'm going somewhere here. What's going on here?
Dispatch.
Oh, dude.
Sight.
What she do?
Need some serious backup.
Where you going, bro? Where you going? Get out the car.
LSPD, freeze!
Freeze, girl. Don't try it. Don't try it, please. I don't want to kill you. Good job. Good job.
Moron!
Yeah. Yeah, one thing with these call-outs, though, man. The cops, they just drive off. They come and help you, and then they just drive off and leave you by yourself. Can somebody fix that? Jesus. Because now you want to drive off, leave me. That don't make no sense.
You're under arrest, fucker!
I'm going to stop traffic, man.
We are code 4.
Leave it! You're obstructing the law!
Stop traffic, yo. Get the hell out of here. Dispatch requesting ambulance.
Ambulance. Assistance required in Vinewood Hills.
What's the hold up here?
Only God can save this one.
Yo, get out of here, man.
You're going away for a long time. Move, con prisas.
I'm arresting you, man. Because you there blowing your horn, blowing your horn.
Could.
Oh man, this is
Stay right there. You got no respect for the law, man. You see somebody dying, you there blowing your horn, blowing your horn. Stay over there. Since you want to blow horns, blow that over there. All right, let me get this girl. Put her in my car.
their DOA, man.
Motherfucker.
Hey, these people, they curse a lot.
What's the use?
What you doing shooting gun, girl? What's wrong with you?
Mom's right. I should move to Vice City.
Man, another Thursday patrol. And you got shot too? Sorry for you. Dispatch requesting coroner unit.
Assistance required in Vinewood Hills.
Says car blocking him. I don't know, you gotta work out that, bro. This is a little narrow street. And I'm not moving it. Let me see if I could move it. Maybe I could move it. Hold up, bro. Let me see if I could move the car. Stay right here. I think the traffic is blocking. All right, let me let the traffic come through. It's gonna be a one-laner. It's gonna be a one-laner. Slow down the traffic. It's gonna be a one-laner. Okay. We need the coroner to come get this body, man. All right, take it. Come through. Come through. Okay, we're gonna stop the traffic now. Stop the traffic. All right, man. You over here, bro. Come here, man. Come over here, bro. Because you here blowing your horn and see police doing their work. Yo, what's wrong with this sheriff, yo? I'm gonna let you go, man. Get out of here, bro. Next time you see a cop doing his work, don't be blowing your horn. Get out of here. I'm out of here too. I can't take all this bullshit going on right here. All right, girl, I'm gonna take you to the jail. It's so like congested there, man. Yo, get the fuck out the way, bro. Damn. All right, move. Don't you see the siren? Oh, there's a station right here. All right, this is where you go, bro. Oh, man. It's been a rough Thursday. Damn, girl, you got shot on your titty. Dispatch, show me 10-8.
10-4, 10-8.
See if we could get the next call in and one more call out. I mean,
We have a Grand Theft Auto in downtown Vinewood.
dispatch, show me en route. I'm right here. I'm ready for that.
10-4, copy that. 7, frame 11.
He's coming right here. Oh, man. Where is he going? I think I got a cop up there. Got a cop right there. Gonna meet him right here. Get him, cop. Get him right there. Get him right there, bro. Damn, that guy went. Damn, his car fast. That's gonna take me on a. He's gonna take me on a real high-speed chase. I'm gonna catch him. I'm gonna catch him. You don't know Chevy, huh? You don't know Chevy. American made. I'm gonna shoot your tires out, bro, if you keep driving like that. I'm gonna shoot your tires out, bro. Ha! Marksman, bro. Marksman. Look at you. Look at you. Yeah, look at you now. Huh? Yeah, look at you. Look at you.
Next part is where you are fucking there. The suspect is walking.
Girl, you better stop and stop playing with me. You better fucking stop. What the hell you doing? Huh?
You're under arrest, fucker.
What you doing, girl? No, you can't outrun the Chevy. Let me pat you down, yo. Dispatch requesting transport.
10-4, transport required.
Let me search this vehicle, see what's up in here. Dispatch requesting tow truck. Yeah, we towing this.
Flatbed, assistance required in Vinewood Hills.
Dispatch show me 10-8.
10-4, 10-8.
Yo, whose car is this? Somebody run somebody run out of their car. Dispatch requesting insurance company.
Assistance required in Vinewood Hills.
Yeah, man, I'm gonna come get that. I'm out of here. I'm way up. Look how far I am. I'm not even in the city. Yeah, I think I run over every I think I run over every traffic sign. All right, we could see if we could get the next call out in there. Yep. Let's try one of the. Let's see what else. More robberies. Alley robbery, random robbery, shop robbery. Let's try shop robbery.
We've got a robbery with a firearm. All available units respond code 3.
Dispatch show me en route
10-4 copy. 7 Frank 11.
to. Yeah, where is that? That look like. Hold on, let me see where this is. Is there a shop here? I don't know about no shop over there, but let's go see. Look like it's sending me all the way up. Man, I ain't going there, man. It's sending me all the way in Sandy Shores. I'm not patrolling Sandy Shores today. Dispatch, show me code 4.
Attention all units. Code 4. No additional support needed.
What's this red dot right here? What's going on here? Yeah, man. I ain't driving all the way up to Sandy Shores. Not patrolling Sandy Shores today. Dispatch, show me 10-8.
10-4, 10-8.
Yeah, let me see if dispatch gonna give me something. Oh, you know what I'm gonna start doing? I'm gonna start like when I talk to dispatch, I'm gonna start giving her my location. Let it sound more real. I think that would be a little bit more realistic. Ain't no more call outs. Alright, let's force one more. See what they got here. Illegal fireworks. Let's try that out. Nope.
Citizens reporting a robbery at Strawberry 24/7 Market. Units respond code 3.
Dispatch, show me en route.
10-4, copy that. 7 Frank 11.
Oh, I didn't see that shit. I saw that shit late. Sorry, guy. Insurance will help you. Are they trying to block? Why are they not moving out the way, man? It's like they're going in the way. Investigate the strawberry store. Okay. Oh shit, dude.
Oh shit! Yeah, we're all gonna die. This is a joke.
Yo, where you going, bro? Dispatch requesting backup.
Assistance required in Strawberry.
Don't try it, bro.
Roger, K.
Yo, where the other one at? Yo, there's a next one running around here somewhere. It was two of them.
Hello. Damn. Shithead. Hands up.
Yeah, it was two of them. I don't know where the other one went.
You're going away for a long time.
Hello? Hey, little man, what's up, man? Hey, wait, why you in school?
See if he got shit on him. Man, you ain't got nothing to fuck me up in your pockets, do you? Nah, you good. Dispatch requesting transport. This is the bag of money. I can't take up the bag of money, man. Damn. Why I can't take the money up? I should be able to take it up and bring it back to the people. I don't know if there's a way to pick it up. Alright, let me get back over here. Let me go check up on these people. See if they're good up in here. In the 7-Eleven.
What I do for a line of blow? Oh no.
Damn, the guy broke the door off. Ain't no door on here. They broke the door off. Okay, lady, it's okay. Yo, it's a guy. Yo, bro, it's okay now, bro. It's okay, man. We got them. You could stop crying now. I just didn't get your money back. It's lying on the ground out there. Alright, man. What y'all doing out here, man? Yo, get out of here, man. Get out of here, bro.
I'm keeping my eye on you.
No loitering, man. No loitering.
Behave yourself next time.
Get out of here, bro. No loitering. No loitering.
Hold it.
Get the hell out of here.
I'm keeping my eye on you. Damn it.
No loitering in front of the store. I'm gonna stand here too. Yeah, man, but this is where we're gonna leave the video for another Thursday patrol. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get the gang unit and all these things for the next episode and stuff, man. We're gonna try to do the gang and the FBI on upcoming videos. But thanks for watching. 21 gun salute to all my subscribers and all my viewers. And if you're a first time viewer, do remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell and share that video. You can also follow me, Jamaican J __X on TikTok, _X Jamaican J4 on Twitter. Thanks for watching. God bless. 1.